going on, YouTube? We back, man. Finally about to get started on the day. Got the car outside right now. I'm trying to get my yard picked up, get some stuff situated, because having teenage sons, man, it's kind of having babies. They don't listen. Left the trash cans on the curb, so I'm trying to get them put up right quick. We get outside. I actually got to go to work today, so I'm finally gonna pull the caddy out and get it took care of. I've been having some issues with the caddy, so it's time to get it to work, get everything handled with that. Yeah, we've been having issues with the brakes and they squealing. Also, man, let me show y'all something crazy that happened yesterday. Let me flip this camera around. I can't make this up, but they just, man, let me show y'all. So yesterday I was out, I took the car to work yesterday. I planned on working on it, getting it washed, but I really never had the time to get that done yesterday because I was so busy. But man, I had a bird yesterday. Y'all can see all these scratches attacking my car. I guess he had a nest somewhere protecting the nest, but they scratched the life out of my car, man. I'm gonna show y'all so you can see these scratches in there. They scratched the life out of this car, which to me is crazy, but I don't really know. But yeah, that kind of threw me off that he scratched my car up. But nevertheless, everything will be all right. We'll make it work. Now I'm trying to get out of this driveway because I got way too many cars going on. This is without the Cutlass and possibly another car soon for my other son who starts driving rather quickly. So made that nightmare to get out. Let me back this thing up. I get so many compliments on this steering wheel. It's really crazy. People really like this steering wheel. I took it to a show the other day and they were like, man, that steering wheel looks really good. So I was thinking about putting the factory one back on, but nah, I'm gonna keep this one. But anyway, we're gonna go to work today, man. We're gonna try to get just some maintenance stuff done on the car. Right now, we're about to actually go fill it up with the gas. And as y'all see, I'm on a quarter tank. Normally, I don't ever let it get that low. It never goes below half a tank, but I just been having so much other stuff going on. It's just been literally sitting. Other than I drove it yesterday and Friday. But now we're finna get to the gas station, get that done, get it filled up, and then we'll cut y'all back on. We'll get this thing to work and try to figure out these squeaking brakes. So let me get to the gas station. To the gas station. Had to get that early morning go fuel. Tell y'all, I don't care how old you get, man, that Grape Crush still one of the best drinks. But I tell you how the craziest drink I like the most. It probably ain't gonna surprise y'all, because you know what I mean, I'm from the country, but that peach knee high. That peach knee high is it's a whole vibe, man. That peach knee high that's like the best soda in the game, if you ask me. Other than I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm a Coke drinker, so you know what I mean. I like Coke. That's kind of like my favorite all-time soda, but they're great. Get it, man. It's so hard, man. I hate this behind, man. Putting this thing in behind the tag is such a nightmare. But y'all see, gonna get some gas in this thing. Put a quick 40 in it. Get that in. I'm soon enough. I finally met somebody who's gonna do my gold trim for me. We're about to take this whole trunk apart with the taillight bezels, this, and these are all gonna get dipped in gold. I thought about doing this in gold as well, but that'll require me to take the bumper back off. And I've been actually thinking about taking the bumper back off because one of my optics over here isn't hooked up. So it's probably what we may end up doing is that, but I don't know. It just depends. Like I said, right now funding is what's slowing me down. So once we get all that squared away, we should be pretty much where we want to be with getting all the gold touches done. And then we're gonna just try, like I said, y'all may think I'm just procrastinating, but I'm really trying to find somebody to do the interior on this thing. I don't trust people. That's my hardest deal is like, man, when you go and you pay these shops, man, and you pay money to these people, you'd expect them to give you what you pay for, and then they try to hand you something that you don't want and expect it to be okay, and then it's just like not the way it goes. So that is why I'm taking my time with the interior on this car. The interior on the Cutlass is gonna be the same, period. I'm not changing. It's just gonna get a steam clean, maybe some new upper door cards, and maybe a dye or something like that, but we're not changing that at all. Anyway, just woke up this morning, trying to get y'all some of that footage, man. We gotta get it clean today. Brakes, oil change. Brakes looked at, because I'm certain it's just the pads on here that I'm having issues with, so let me go ahead and get this thing to work, and we can get started on the work on this car. Cut y'all back on in a minute. So we made it to the shop. We got the car on the lift. Now we're getting that oil out of it. Got that filter on there. Drain the oil out. Man, I had my intake fixed, which I'm starting to think I'm getting a rear main seal leak. But as y'all know, there ain't no need to replace that. So, because if you replace it, you know what's gonna happen in 2 weeks. It's gonna leak again. So, y'all see what we gonna do. We gonna get it, most of this cleaned off. Anyway, so once I had my intake done, everything should have been squared away. But like I said, it's probably a rear main seal. More than likely, that's what it is. But I ain't gonna really too much worry about it. We'll just leave it the way it is. I don't drive it enough to really worry about it. But the main concern I'm having today is really, man, these brakes, man. I gotta get them figured out. I think I'm gonna have to get some pads for it, because all this brake dust on the back of my wheels, I don't know if y'all can see it, it's just filling up the back of the wheels with brake dust. And I think that's the problem, it's just the pad is cheap, so I'm gonna probably have to go and find some better pads for it somewhere. Because right now, these ain't working. I could try that BG stop squeal, but I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think that's gonna work anyway. It never does. So that's why we kind of quit using it here, because it doesn't work very well. So, got some work coming in. That's the deal. Just oil change. I got my helper with me today. He'll go ahead and take care of that. Might get on it with him so we get this finished, but drain plug, got the filter in. Get it down. Man, I'm real OCD about making sure I check stuff like 2 or 3 times, because you don't want nothing to happen to your whip. And then you be dealing with that. I find 03, 05, I don't know that. Shit, I'm gonna probably take these front wheels off. Kind of inspect the brakes. I don't know if the brakes are bad, because I just put them on. Like I said, this car ain't even, I know I haven't put over 2,500 miles on it since I bought it. But let me get it down. Let's get the oil in it. Have another look over it, clean it up, and then get this thing back to the house and get prepared for the weekend. have no clue where I can put my air cleaner bolt. Zero clue. And I just took it off. Oh, I ain't tripping. No, I ain't tripping. Man, I have no idea.
Fuck is that gonna do?
I'm over here having a dire straits moment over here trying to figure out where my damn air cleaner bolt went. Yeah, I know I ain't tripping. So I have no clue where my air cleaner bolt went. This is gonna be fun. I could have swore I sat it on this brake master cylinder cap, but who knows? Maybe it fell. Oh, it did. There it is. I see it. There it is, right in there, sitting down. Let me see if I can grab it without it falling any further. Oh my God, the wires. Moon going crazy. See if I can grab it. Oh my God, come here. That's the most inopportune spot for that to fall, but oh God. Really? It's becoming a nightmare. Anyway, I know where it went, so now I just gotta grab it out of there. I can't believe that fell off. Must have knocked it off, wasn't been paying attention. It's all part of the game. Y'all see, we went ahead and go with the wiper arms. Anyway, let me get this bolt back on. Gotta help my guy Tracy finish up his stuff today, and then we'll get this car cleaned up, get it back to the house, and put back up. Got that thing cleaned up. It's been a long day, man. I'm gonna get ready to pull it out. Get started. So y'all what you look like cleaned up. I know y'all ain't seen it cleaned up in a while, but I don't drive it that often, but back up. Get out of here. About to actually get ready to go. Check on the Cutlass, man. Start another video. We're going up there to check on him. Drop him off some more cash in the process too, so get that took care of. And well, this AC bill is so cold in this car. But we're gonna go holler at him. That took care of. Trying to see how beautiful she is, boy. Got it all cleaned up. And man, the best thing about this car is the AC blows ice cold in this car. So we got everything cleaned up. I think I'm gonna hit it with some spray wax too, to try to clean up some sections on it. It's got some little swirl marks in it I want to get cleaned out. Probably just from sitting in the dust and stuff. A little surface scratch I got right here from that bird. I got it cleaned up if you can still see him. Main one is this one right here though. It's in the clear coat. He didn't get too deep, but we got it cleaned out. Yeah, got it out today, man. We went ahead and changed the oil with the brakes. I just ordered some new pads. I was gonna take the wheels off, but I blew all the brake dust out, and I ordered some new pads, so I can get those put on. I got some ceramic pads. A lot of these cheap O'Reilly's pads, they're terrible. But I was able to get that done. We got it cleaned up. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. I appreciate y'all for watching these videos, man. I appreciate y'all for showing this car all the love, man. This car gets so much love across the YouTube platform, just Facebook, everywhere. I thank everybody, man, for just showing love. Continue to let me know it's a great, beautiful car. We'll catch y'all in the next video, man.